This help video will show you how to connect a digital antenna to your television. If your TV was purchased after 2007, then it most likely will have a built-in digital tuner. This means you can plug your antenna directly into your television. The first step to connecting your antenna is to find the connection ports. Look for the VHF-UHF port on your TV. It's usually found on the back or side of your television. Your antenna attaches with a cable that has an F connector. You are probably familiar with it if you ever attached a cable wire to a TV. If there are more than one F connector inputs, select the one that is labeled antenna or VHF-UHF and not cable. The screw on the connector may be a little challenging for the first couple of turns, but once started, it should screw on easily. Please do not over-tighten, as this should be a quarter turn past finger tight. Once the antenna is properly connected to your TV, you will need to use the remote control that came with your TV to change the input. The input you want to switch to could have one of many labels, including antenna, cable, or VHF-UHF. At this point, you should be receiving a signal from the antenna. If the channel comes in distorted, you may need to adjust the position of your antenna. The next step in the process is to run a channel scan using the digital tuner. Please ensure that your antenna is connected to your television before starting this process. Having an off-air antenna will make it easier for your TV to find all the channels available to you. Using the remote that came with your TV, press the input or source button until the menu comes up on your TV screen showing the inputs available. On some TVs, you may be able to press this button several times to change the input source. Once the menu is displayed on the screen, use the up and down arrow keys to highlight the TV or antenna input and press OK or Enter. Be sure to take note of which input your TV is currently set to, so you can return back to correct input source for your cable TV. The specifics of the process are going to be different on each TV, but the concept is similar. In this instance, we want the tuner setting. Once on the TV input, hit the menu or settings button on your TV remote. Ensure the tuner mode is set to antenna, not cable. Select the auto channel scan or auto channel memory and press OK or Enter. It may take several minutes for the scan to be complete, but once it does, it will give you a list of the off-air channels available that can be picked up by an antenna. You will now be able to change between these stations using your television remote.